The fact that you are watching a video about how to improve your self-worth is telling you something about yourself. And I want you to think about what that thing is. You're here, to no fault of your own, searching for a way to feel whole. You are looking outside of yourself, trying to fix yourself. I did this for almost an entire decade, every single day. I tried to feel whole. I tried to feel worthy. I tried to love myself. I tried to believe in myself. What was I doing the entire time? Every single time I opened a book, every single time I watched a YouTube video, when I tried to improve myself, I was telling myself that I needed to be improved. And I just want you to realize what's actually going on with you right now. Because this is the shortcut to you realizing that there's nothing that needs to be improved about you. And that while you're on this search for something outside of yourself, you are constantly chasing a horizon. You are telling yourself, while you search for videos about how to improve your self-worth, that you have low self-worth. And I want to point you towards what's actually happening here. What's actually happening is that there is a quote-unquote program arising within your mind. It is just a certain way that you think. There's nothing wrong with it. There's no problem with you thinking in this way. There's no problem with you perceiving yourself and your life in this way. It is just a program. And everybody is basically running on some sort of a program. Given everybody has all of these unique circumstances and situations of their past, they have gone through their life and they have taken in millions and millions and millions of bits of information, and they have formed their perception of themselves and their reality based off of that information. And so have you, to no fault of your own. But what I want you to realize within this short video is that you can't search outside of yourself for how to feel whole within yourself. There's nothing you need to do. There's no sort of information that you need to learn. You sitting right here are already whole. But if you keep going on the pursuit of trying to feel whole, then you will continue to tell yourself that you are not whole. This is just human, by the way. You trying to feel better. That's what we're always doing. We're always either trying to move towards pleasure or we're trying to move away from pain. Again, this is all a program that is running. And I want to demystify this program, by the way, because it's totally normal. You're a human being and you are thinking thoughts. These thoughts are based off of your past experiences. That is the information that you have to work with about how the world works, about how the world is, about who you are, about who everybody else is. You have this current understanding of the world, and there's nothing wrong with you holding it because it's actually what you picked up when you were growing up. But now, since you're here, I want to tell you what's actually happening within your life, why you feel this way, how to navigate it, and how to feel whole right now. You're a human being and you think thoughts. It's an amazing capability. I want you to realize that as you went through your past, yes, you went through all of these experiences, but that past was all made up of a present moment just like this one. Your entire future is going to be just this present moment, ever unfolding. Within the present moment, there are a bunch of things happening. You're in this physical reality, right? You can move in space, you can interact with things. That's one part of reality. Then the other part is what's happening within your mind. Because you can notice you can be at the gym or laying in bed or driving your car, and you're not just at the gym. You're not just driving your car. You're not just laying in bed. You're in your head and you're thinking thoughts about the past, about the future, and you're bringing up things that are either positive, neutral, or negative. there's this other side of reality that I want you to realize. And it's that as a human, you are thinking these thoughts, and these thoughts are determining your perception of yourself and your life. If the thoughts seem totally true to you, since you're basing them off of your past, of course, they probably feel true. They feel real to you. But just the fact that a thought arises and you believe it doesn't mean it's true. Much the same as if there is a 4-year-old child and that child believes that he or she is broken. Is that true? They believe it. It is their legitimate perception of reality. But is it actually true? It's not. And the same thing goes for you because you were at some point that child. It's just that the program has been running for all of this time and it has gone unnoticed. You have been trying to find ways to improve yourself. You have been trying to find ways to feel and think better about yourself. But all of that too, if you accomplished something and it made you feel better about yourself, it made you feel like a success, if you found some sort of quote or some bit of wisdom that made you feel better about yourself, then all of that is temporary. Unless it's the true realization of who you are beyond the program. Because all of that would be is just you thinking more thoughts. You thinking thoughts, I'm a success. You thinking thoughts, I am better. I am improving. My future looks bright for me. That is all just more thoughts. We're here to see the program for what it is, and your true worth is always behind the program. So if you're this human in the present moment and you're thinking thoughts and you're feeling these emotions, right now you can become aware of it. When you are no longer identified with the thoughts and you just see them as thoughts, well then who is aware of them? Because you're not something that's so impermanent, these thoughts arising and falling in your mind. It's not you. It's been pointing you towards some sort of perception that you had of reality and about yourself. But what's aware of the program? That part of yourself is actually yourself. You think thoughts, you're aware of them, you are somebody who is already whole. And if you keep trying to search for that wholeness, it will be elusive. Because again, while you search for it, you are telling yourself that there's something missing. There's something wrong with you. There's something broken. And you need to do something or discover something in order for you to feel whole. If you experience that awareness right now just through this video, then you are done. If you'd like to be guided through step by step how to just completely drop this mission that you've been holding about how to become whole and to experience your true self right now, to come to the unique and powerful realization that you are already whole. There's nothing wrong with you. If you want to experience that for yourself, I have a guided walkthrough in the description and pinned comment. There's a link there for you. If you have any questions, comment them below, and I'll see you in the next video.